Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will have to learn our shape which name is circle. Here is a circle. Which color is green? Circle. What is this? Circle. This is circle. Dear students, I have a little bowl in my hand. Which shape is in circle? This is our circle. Like this is our circle. I have also an other circle. This is circle. This is in shape of circle, and other is this one is circle. This one is circle. Students, now you will have to trace these circles and trace the circles and color them green. Let me check your work, students. Hurry up.